My name is Councillor Jongizizwe Dabati, the MMC responsible for finances in the city of Ekurhuleni. Today we presented the draft final budget for 2026-2027 financial year. This budget is a product of extensive consultation, and out of the 23 consultations that we have undertaken with our communities, business youth and other various stakeholders, it was clear that the focus must be much more on visible service delivery in a manner that is sustainable. And we do believe that our budget posture responds exactly to our local action plan as it relates to water, energy, sanitation, waste collection, fixing of the roads. And that is why we've appropriated 800 additional million that will go towards repairs and maintenance, a demonstration of our seriousness to improve the outlook of our communities and make sure that there's lesser interruption in the provision of services. We are optimistic that the budget that we have also allocated, both on energy and water, is realistic because we have benchmarked it against what we have allocated in the previous year. And more so, the departments are now business units that will generate revenue, and their submission is convincing that we will get the money and we will provide the services. Of course, the budget will never be enough against all the community needs. All our wards, they want roads, but we can only do so much within a financial year. Safe to say that our commitment is that at the end of the day, all our areas in the city of Ekurhuleni will enjoy a tariff, and that being TART, and that work is work in progress. You can't finish it within one financial year, but this budget really is rooted on doing the basics, and we are believing that through our revenue enhancement plan and the current contract, it will deliver 800 million, which will fund the budget itself. We have set targets for the revenue collection, and those targets will be monitored. We did not want to venture into new capital projects. That is why we are grounding ourselves on finishing some of the incomplete projects around water, energy, electricity, sanitation, roads and human settlement. Those are the 6 areas where we are clear about this budget. We are not all over on capital expenditure. It therefore makes it optimistic and realistic for us to implement the budget. Lastly, we have also proposed an increase in our debt rehabilitation and incentive scheme. As you know, upon application, any debt that is 12 months and above, once approved, you get 75%. With this budget speech, we have increased it to 100%. So if you apply for any debt that is 12 months and above, you will get 100% write-off of that particular debt, and we continue to have a payment arrangement with the remainder of the debt. Lastly, if you look at our tariffs in the city of Ekurhuleni, all the tariffs that are under our control are below the current consumer price index, which is sitting at 4%. We are proposing 3.4%. We do this because we are mindful of the cost of living, and that there must be a balance between affordability as well as us as an institution continuing to provide services. As I said, we have done all that we could on our side to construct a budget that we strongly believe that it will be responsive to the needs of our communities, and it is up to this council. Any decision by any political party not to support the item, what are its implications is that on the 1st of July, you will have problems of providing sustainable basic services. You have problems of paying labor, which SAMU and IMATU are very clear that there must be no interruption. So I said that egos aside, but the interest of our communities first. I'm saying this mindful of the fact that budget will never be perfect due to the fact that the resources themselves are limited compared to the needs that our communities are raising. And of course, it's in the hands of the council and all other political parties to rise above and make sure that we continue to be an institution that provides services, foster accountability and scrutiny to push for improvement on areas where we are not performing well.